Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing this look, and the main reason why I wanted to make a video was because I just got this palette in like maybe a couple hours ago, and it's the Morphe Artistry palette in Just to Crush 9J, and that's what the info looks like. So, yeah, as you guessed it, these were right up my alley. They are a whole bunch of, like, pinks and, like, burgundies. Yeah, and I had a really fun time creating this look. I really wanted, like, that pop of pink. Like, this was the main reason why I bought this palette, which, that color right in the middle is the hot pink. Yeah, and then I just paired it off with, like, a mauve lip. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching. So I literally just got these out of the mailbox probably about like half an hour ago, and I've been making a lot of purchases to Morphe, and the only reason why is because, for one, we can't go to the store to get anything, like no makeup stores are open, and for two, they've been like having these really killer deals. So these are the 9-pan palettes, and I've never bought any 9-pan palettes before, and these are the only two that like caught my eye, and of course once I open them you'll see why. But I got these for 2 for $12 or $6 each, and I think they're originally like $14 or $12, I might be wrong, but this is what they look like, and the packaging is actually pretty sturdy for like a cheaper palette. So this is the front of it, and this is the 9V Vintage Rose. So here's what that inside looks like, and I'll zoom you in a little just so you can see. Oh, these colors are so pretty, like just for like a neutral everyday like rosy smoky eye. The one, obviously same packaging. This is 9J Just to Crush, and these are more deeper tones, and this middle shade is what really honestly called to me. This one right here, like, look how freaking pretty that is. So I'm really just going to be using the 9J Just to Crush palette. Hopefully I'm not blinding you. So please excuse me if I'm still trying to figure everything out. I finally just got a tripod on Monday, and my husband was off Monday and Tuesday, and I try not to film when he's home just for the fact that I want to spend time with him, and also 9 times out of 10 he's playing Call of Duty in the background, and you know how men in their games are. So anyways, I'm just gonna take to start off with, from the 9J palette, I'm just going to take this color right here, and it's kind of like a light peach color, and it's called Will Day. The only thing I don't really like about like the Morphe palettes, like their original, like with the black packaging, is they have these like filmy plastic sheets with the names, and it comes out and whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this color. It's called Will Day, and again, I'm sorry the windows are open, etc, etc. It's just a very light peach color. I'm just gonna take it on a fluffy brush like this, and it's a shade darker than what it's appearing on camera, and I think my light's kind of washing it out, but yeah, so I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I'm going to take, it's a blending eyeshadow brush, but it's like domed, and it's more like dense, and I'm just going to go in with this shade, and it's a dark burgundy color right here, and it's called Double Text, to put that into the outer crease and corner. It's actually coming off a lot lighter than what it looks like in the pan, which is completely fine because I didn't really want a dark burgundy anyway, but The only thing I did was did a brow bone highlight, and I just used the Naked Basics one, and I just used WOS, which is the more pinky toned of these shades. I really like this just for like brow bone highlight. I really don't use these three very often, but use what you want or what you like. Don't worry about this, we'll fix that up and all that. So I'm going to deepen up my outer crease and corner. Old defining eye brush from e.l.f. This is like one of them, like, well, they used to be $1, but I've had this for years, so yeah, it's held up pretty well. And I'm just gonna take this really dark, like, this is like a true like burgundy shade, that one, and it is called Make a Move. I'm gonna focus this like right at the outer corner and V. Oh, outer corner and crease, I should say. And just blend. I'm gonna put a lid shade. And I think what I'm gonna do is, this is like the main reason why I bought this palette and why I wanted to use this palette, is for this shade right here. And it's like a true hot pink color. I don't know if it's being like muted out on camera, but it is gorgeous. It's matte and has some like gold sparkle to it. I'm just gonna take it like a synthetic brush like this one, and it's like one of them, it looks like a Harry Potter wand. Well, it looks like wands from Harry Potter, but they came in like a five brush set, and my mom bought them for me the one week, and I just never showed them off, and they were like $15, but I'm just now using them. But anyways, I'm gonna take a synthetic brush, and I'm just gonna pack that color onto my brush, add it onto my lid. And I don't know if you can tell, but there is some fallout from it, so this is the exact reason why I do my shadow before any like foundation, concealer, or anything, just so it doesn't mess up. I really love this pink color. It is so gorgeous. Hopefully you can see, but there are some, you can still see some sparkles. As you can see, there's a whole lot of fallout on my cheeks, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and just wipe that away. Add like a line of liquid liner. This is just the That's the Point eyeliner. I think today I'm going to switch it up and use the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus mascara, because I've been using the crap out of my L'Oreal one, and I just want to switch it up. Say that this was my favorite before I was introduced to the L'Oreal one. I actually put foundation on today, and for the primer that I used this little Hard Candy mattifying primer. It's a Sheer Envy line. It's supposed to be 12-hour oil control, mattifies, and reduce shine. I'm not really sure if that's true, but whatever. And then I mixed these two foundations. It's the NYX Total Control Foundation. It's the drop foundation, and this is in the shade Vanilla, and then this is in the shade Medium Olive. And I just did like a healthy mix just to like try and get my skin tone. I didn't set it with powder just because I want to try and see if it makes a difference. And then under my foundation, I have the 16-hour camo concealer. This is in a new shade. This is in light peach. It's pretty much the same as this one. So as you can see, this one's the fair beige, and then this one's light peach. This one just has a peachier undertone. I don't know. I'm still playing around with it. And now my eyes want to water, but whatever. So I'm just gonna zoom you in a little bit to so we can put some shadow underneath the eye. So I'm going to put some of that dark burgundy shade underneath the eye. I'm going to do it really, really carefully. And I'm just going to do this small little shader brush. And like I said, I'm going to be extra careful because I don't want any fallout on the foundation I just did. And I pretty much only am going to write about there. My waterline is the NYX cream eyeliner in Honeydewed, and it's just this really like flesh tone beige eyeliner just to make everything pop more. So that's what I have. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna take my favorite like highlighter brush. It's actually a pencil brush, but I use it for like inner corner highlight and stuff. I'm gonna take this shade right here in all its shimmery glory, and that is called Glance, and it's just a shimmery champagne color. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I also filled in my eyebrows with the LA Colors brow cream gel in soft brown, and I really, really like this. I've never used really a cream gel brow liner before. Is the Wet n Wild blush in Mellow Lime, and just looks like that. And now I'm gonna do highlight, and that's like my favorite. That's my favorite part of doing makeup is the highlight. I'm just gonna use my BH Cosmetics Dual Light Highlight Palette in it's this their 9 color palette. I'm gonna use this really light shimmery goldish color. It's called Double Trouble. It's this one right here. I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks. Sorry if this is in the way. I'm still getting used to everything. A lipstick on, and this is Lumiere from ColourPop. It's their ColourPop Lippy Sticks. This is originally came out with like the Kathleen Lights collection with ColourPop, but I think it's permanent now. And I'm not gonna do a lip liner because I normally don't anyway. And this is matte, so if you wanted to do like a liquid lipstick or a gloss, whatever you want, but this is just what I'm using today. I actually really like this formula of lipsticks from ColourPop. Completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really, really like how it turned out, and I really love this palette so far. Really am enjoying Morphe, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.